This is the story of a female scientist whose relentless curiosity and determination led her to make groundbreaking discoveries that changed the course of scientific history. However, all of her groundbreaking discoveries came with unintended consequences which would later lead to her untimely death. This is the dark side of Marie Curie's scientific accomplishments. Marie Curie, who was born in Poland in 1867 and later moved to France to study, was one of the earliest scientists in the field of radioactivity. While in France, she married French physicist Pierre Curie, and together they conducted some of the earliest research on radioactivity and discovered the elements polonium and radium. In 1903, Pierre and Marie Curie were awarded a Nobel Prize for Physics for their discovery and became the first ever married couple to win a Nobel Prize. In 1906, Pierre Curie died in a car accident. 5 years later, Marie Curie received a second Nobel Prize award in chemistry for her work on radium and polonium and became not only the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, but also the first individual to win 2 Nobel Prizes. Marie Curie's work with radioactivity always involved handling and studying radioactive substances, and as a result, she was exposed to high levels of radiation. This radiation caused her to develop aplastic anemia, a condition in which the bone marrow does not produce enough blood cells and becomes damaged, ultimately leading to her death in 1934. It is important to note that while Marie Curie's accomplishments were groundbreaking, they also highlighted the dangers of radiation exposure and the need for caution when handling radioactive materials. Thanks for watching.